I'm Bhaskar, and in this video, we will just showcase our capability at HaleForm on Smart 3D symbol customization using C# .NET and other .NET programming languages. So basically in .NET, we use two main programming languages like C# .NET and VB.NET. At HaleForm, we are capable of working on both the programming languages. A brief glimpse about our team and capabilities. So we have in-house team who are capable on working on VB.NET and C#.NET. We have experienced developers who have customized more than 100 symbols in one last year. Capability of building .NET shapes from scratch. Our team is capable of doing that, so we don't use any third-party tool to customize our symbols. And our team is capable of developing all the symbols for all the disciplines. So apart from that, as this video is about showcasing our capabilities on 3D symbol development. Apart from that, we also have experience on hangers and support development, stairs and ladders development, and other customizations such as custom command, rule checker, and name rule development. So this basically showcase our capability inside specially Hexagon's S3D application. As I told earlier that since we have the capability of customizing our symbols from scratch, this is just a screenshot of our program along with our bulk load sheet. On the left side, you can see that we have developed our own class, and on the right side, we have developed a similar bulk load sheet to support this class. So in this particular example, we will be showing an example of double block bleed valve. So in this, we have customized the bleed and the operator and bleed operator. So there are two levers attached to this. And not only just the valve is for one single particular size, it is also capable of customizing the reducing size. And also it has the capability of routing the pipe below the bleed. So in this particular example that we are showcasing, the one single symbol is capable of covering all these 5 cases, as you can see, where the bleed or its operator can be rotated to several different angles. So it can support all these particular cases in this one particular symbol alone. Apart from that, our particular valve is capable of using all kind of operators, which is available in Smart 3. So whatever, apart from this lever that we will show, we can use the hand wheels of different type. So here's a short video on how the symbol is customized and how it is placed. So in this example, just the designer is placing a fresh pipe to place the double block bleed valve in this particular example. So you can see that they selected this particular double block bleed valve and it is being placed. So changing the view and showcasing that it shows the different views in Smart 3D. And as you can see, it has two levers, one bleed operator, and all right. So in this example, we show that but this symbol is editable by the user and can be rotated as and when required. Not only that, the operator angle can be changed in this example. So the operator can be rotated based on the requirement. And the operator heights, as you can see, are different so that it does not clash with each other. On this example, you can see that uh, although it is visible on the property page that face-to-face is changing, but this basically is showcasing that these examples are available for the catalog specialist to change the values based on the project requirement. And in this property page, you can see all these examples are of the attributes that have been used in this wall. So these can be used by the catalog specialist to manipulate the attributes. And if in case it is required by the designer, any attribute is required by the designer to manipulate after placing it in the model, that can also be made available for the designers. So all these examples are just showcasing that all these parameters are controlled using these attributes. So we can change the dimension of the bleed. We can change the distance between the levers if it is at all required. And in this next example, it is showcasing uh, that lever 2, this was lever 1, and the lever 2 distance can also be manipulated using these attributes. Now we'll see the rotation of bleed. Uh, Currently, it is having the value of 180 degree. Uh, this is, I think, this is for operator. So it was on 180 degree. This has changed to 0 degree. Now the rotation will be 135 degree. So basically, whatever is required by uh, the catalog specialist can be adjusted using these properties. The operator length can also be manipulated using these particular attributes. So not only the length, but the vent length can also be manipulated. The thickness can also be manipulated, diameter. So this basically showcase that uh, one particular wall symbol can cover many sort of arrangements of the wall, and it can be very helpful on the project using the same symbol. Now the blind angle is changing. So this can also be controlled either by either by the catalog specialist or by the designer, whatever your project requires. If your project requires that this shouldn't be done by the designers, then we can hide these attributes uh, from this uh, property page using the generic method. Now, since this is placed on one single pipeline, this example will show that we can use it as a reducing type as well. So that doesn't change anything, and it also helps the designer to place in reducing type. And also on the bottom, we can it has a port uh, to model an additional pipe if it is at all required in the model. Right? So we can, if it is required at certain angle and then modeling needs to be done, that can also be controlled in this example. So this was a short video on the example of HaleForm customization and capability using C#.NET. So we do have a work process to customize these symbols or any programming related uh, activity. So initially, after the award of the project, we or the before the award of the project, we understand the requirement with the customer. After project is awarded, we customize the symbol using our programming tool or S3D API. We load to catalog and we do the testing. First, it is done, then we send our customization to our client and load it to catalog. Symbol is tested by the client and feedback is sent to us. If any uh, comments are provided by the client, we correct it and send it again to the client. And once everything is done, we hand it over to our clients. So this was a short video on how we do our customization using C#.NET. If you have any queries, please drop us an email and we'll be happy to get in touch with you. Thank you for your time.